Friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Engineer. My name is Pooja Subhash Rao Deshmukh from International Center of Excellence in Engineering and Management College, Aurangabad. Today we are going to discuss on the topic that is mobile number portability. These are the mobile number portability subscribers like Vodafone, Idea, Airtel, Tata Docomo, Uninor, Reliance, etc. So we will see what is MNP, that is mobile number portability. Mobile number portability, this is the MNP which mobile subscribers enables to change their service providers their location without having a change their existing phone numbers. There are three types of number of portability. These are operator, service and location. Service provider portability is the ability of end users to retain existing directory numbers at the same location as they change from one service provider to another. Now, location portability. This is the ability of users of telecommunication services to retain existing directory numbers without impairment of quality, reliability or convenience. When moving from one physical location to another, in this case, a given telephone number could be associated with any network termination device or independent of location. In operator portability, this is the ability to aid users to retain existing directory numbers at the same location as they change from one operator to another. Now, components of mobile number portability. There are three components. First one is service platform, second one is server, and third one is central reference database, that is CRDB. First one is the Central Reference Database functionality, CRDB, in which reference database for the ported numbers is storage of present and historical information related to ported numbers. Message relay, in which porting confirmations and porting requests are included. In message validation, message order and parameter contents are validated before relayed or broadcast. In message flow control, flow of administrative messages between the service providers and network operators connected to the CRDB. These are the functionalities of CRDB. Now, MNP implementation, that will be the how we can implement a call. All call query method. The originating network first checks the location of the dial number in the central database and then routes the call directly to the recipient network, the network where a number is located after being ported. This is the block diagram of MNP, which consists of centralized database connected to originating network, which is connected to the donor network and having internal database. Originating network is connected with new network or reroute. MNP implementation in onward routing or call forwarding. Here figure shows the call forwarding diagram. In originating network connects to the donor network. If the dialed number has been ported, the donor network itself routes the call to the recipient network. Once into the new SPB, the customer can't move out and retain the number at the same time for the next 3 months. Means if your number once ported, after that for 3 months you cannot move your number from the from the portability. The entire process may take more than 4 days to a maximum of 6 days. This is the process of MNP, having donor service provider, subscriber, recipient service provider, dealer, like this. From the point of business, operator mobile advertising strategies with MNP. Without MNP, operators were mainly able to target a limited audience who were getting a new number. Migration opportunity was smaller and ROI harder to achieve using any advertising approach, including mobile advertising. With the launch of MNP, the entire population of mobile users are now open to every operator. Hence, demand for the better advertising and marketing is a reality under MNP. It is the evident that operators with better choices and offers will benefit from this new reality. First one is the Idea Cellular Limited. Ran an aggressive television campaign asking people to get Idea. The concept behind this was to call out the differentiators that Idea was offering. In Vodafone, India took a more inclusive approach by welcoming everybody with the "Everybody's Welcome" tagline. Vodafone has taken a more confident leadership approach, relying on a friendly, likable tone to the advertising. Third one is the Tata Docomo. This is went with an aggressive mobile Twitter campaign and also initiated a hashtag campaign named, that is hashtag switch to Tata Docomo, which is inserted into all its tweets on MNP. A typical tweet by a company read, if you are looking to switch, then ensure it's to a hashtag 3G ready network who believes in cool offers. Now, benefits of MNP. Benefits of MNP in India to users are: will not have a change the number. It saves money by having the best plan you like. Benefits of MNP in India to operators are: savings in expenses for reserving a number series. It having less struggle for newcomers. Benefits of MNP in India to government is: more competition means more revenue, more investment in market. Now, problems of mobile number portability in India to users are: the switching from one operator to another operator, you require to pay rupees 19. Also, you still have to follow the same old procedure of going to a shop, getting a new SIM, and it takes time for switch to take place. Problems of mobile number portability in India to operators. There is technology change, more competition with other companies, and underlying network changes. Future aspects of MNP. The future seems to be bright for this technology in India. According to the government statistics, about 68% of all mobile customers change their mobile phone number at least once in a year. When mobile number portability in India is complete, the number will drop significantly, and only those people will change the numbers who really want to disconnect the mobile service. Thank you.